Hi, this is Elizabeth Camaur with Camaur Crampton Family Law in Irvine, California. Our office provides family law services. When you're faced with a family law issue, it's very important that you have an attorney with the expertise, experience, and background to handle your family law case. It's also important that you choose a family law attorney that will work in the best interests of you and your children. Our office provides both attorney litigation and mediation services. I am a certified family law specialist by the California State Bar Board of Legal Specialization. The California State Bar has designated some attorneys with extra expertise in different areas of the law. In this case, I am certified in family law. In order to be certified in family law, you have to have developed enough experience in the family law area with certain experience in trials, in mediations, in settlement conferences. You also have to take an extra bar exam and be recommended by your peers, which includes other attorneys who practice family law, commissioners, and/or judges. When you are faced with a family law problem, you have to understand that this case can affect you and your children the rest of your lives. Having the right attorney on this is very important. In mediation, you can have more control over the case and actually the resolution or the outcome of what is going to happen with your family. You and your spouse know the circumstances in your family. You understand it. And you can tailor and be creative with a resolution that's going to be in the best interest for the entire family. You also should see a family law attorney as soon as the problem develops to learn your options. Where can you go with this case? What are the different rights you have? And what are the different ways you can approach the problem? Our office focuses on resolving problems. In order to do that, we need to obtain information. Information is power. You cannot decide what your options are and choose the right way to approach this unless you actually have enough information as to the circumstances. In some cases, one spouse may not have information concerning the finances. You need to see an attorney to find out how to get this information. Also, it's important to see a good family law attorney to protect your assets and protect against unnecessary joint debt. When the problem develops, getting information on your parental responsibilities and duties is very important. Your children are in the middle of this also, and you want to make sure that your behavior and your decisions are going to be what's best for them and minimize the amount of trauma that they are going to go through. Child custody disputes can be very traumatic on children. It's our goal to develop parenting plans that are going to work in the best interests of your children, minimize the amount of fighting and hostilities, and actually help them to grow and to flourish. When your family is intact, you're not thinking about things like this. But when there is a breakup, you need to see a good family law attorney as soon as possible so that you can move ahead in the best interests of your children and your family. I'm Elizabeth Camaur with Camaur Crampton Family Law.